I wasn't gonna get it, but then I got it because I was like, it's so beautiful. Hello my lovelies and welcome to another video. Before we start, I just wanted to say I'm still working in a completely empty space, so if it's echoing, it's like kind of echoing. I'm really sorry about that. Hopefully things will get better. I just couldn't wait to unbox this piece and show it to you because I literally cannot wait to wear it, first of all. Second of all, I guess you have to start from somewhere, you know, until all these boxes are unboxed, which you could have seen in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it after this one. This is literally the only space where I can kind of like sit and unbox something, but I'm sure I will figure out way better filming background. And actually, maybe I should put the lights on because there's so much light normally in this room. Anyway, in case you're new to this channel, my name is Tamara and I love to create videos about luxury, fashion, lifestyle, travel, beauty. More than anything, I love to do these unboxings and show you what I purchased and what I plan on wearing, what are my wish items and things like that. So in case you're new to the channel, please do subscribe in case you would like to hang out with me more and discuss all of these topics. In case you've been here before, welcome back, and I cannot wait to show you what I recently got. So one of the things, I'm gonna like cut the story short, I'm not gonna talk too long because actually I have a flight to catch. I'm going to Paris this morning, I have so much to do there, and it's only like 9:10, so yeah. You know what I mean. First and foremost, I'm gonna talk about Chanel. As you can see, there's a bit of Chanel in this video, but there's also a giant green bag, and let me tell you, these are not another tire boots. There's other stuff in here, but I couldn't also wait to share that with you, so I wanted to put it all in one video. So let me talk about Chanel first. Oh boy, so the news that Chanel will be limiting classic bags per clients as like 1 to 2 a year or something like that, 1 per season I believe. I mean, it hit hard, let's just say that. And I was kind of like, wow, is Chanel going down the Hermes route? I doubt it. I highly doubt it. So I immediately texted my Chanel essay and asked him, so sorry, like, is this happening? Is this what's it gonna be from now on? And he said, actually, it's been like that for a little while because we have a massive shortage of bags. But I mean, I trust him, what he's saying, but I think it's just strategy, to be honest. It doesn't even matter. Like I said, okay, he said, of course, there will always be exceptions for very, very loyal customers and people that, you know, have been purchasing with us for so many years. We'll always try and find stuff for them. And to be honest, for me personally, I have a great customer experience at Chanel because I always manage to find what I need and what I'm after. My essay always gets me exactly what I want, and that is because also I kind of pre-order stuff like as soon as they come out. I know what I'm gonna want from the next season, but it's also because I have created this really good relationship with him or her, it depends in which city, where they're always like the kindest. You guys know I love the Chanel in Florence, for example. I have great experience there. I love Chanel in London, Bond Street, also great experience there. I've never actually had, also in Faubourg Saint-Honoré in Paris, like really cannot say anything bad. So I went to grab a pair of boots, which you could have also seen in my London blog, and I kind of did go crazy. I didn't show you the boots that I got in the end, but I know that these will be so love or hate. So love or hate. So I cannot wait to show them to you. So anyway, clarified the situation. Chanel apparently has a shortage of everything. Short manufacture, they will be limiting the amount of bags you can get. Did that make me get this? No, because I am at a phase where I just really want to get bags that I really want, and I'd rather not buy any than accumulate too many. So that's to finish the story with that. To come back to this, I don't have a box because I didn't want to carry a box from London, but as you can see, something very chunky. I warned you, it is a love or hate thing, and I saw them at the runway show. I did a full review of that Chanel collection, autumn winter one, on my stories, and I actually even took over an Instagram account where I did a commentary of the show. But guys, let me show you the Yeti boots of the season. And I know many of you will be like, oh, we saw these and we were wondering who's gonna buy them. Well, me, first of all, but especially after like showing you my Miu Miu boots that were like, that exploded on TikTok because people were like, what the hell is that on your feet? But I've always kind of loved these chunky, shearlingy. Obviously the Miu Miu ones are like completely like a faux fur, and I just, so many people got so crazy about that. But these are just amazing. I love them. At the back they say Chanel, can you tell? And there's a logo. The light's a bit too strong, so I'm not sure you're going to be able to see. And then there's the logo at the back of the heel. They have a small tiny heel, and inside they're also lined, which makes them so comfy and so cozy. Of course, I'm not going to wear this when it's like, you know, 20 degrees outside. So keep in mind, I'm now close to the mountains. I mean, closer than when I was in England for sure. And I hope that I will spend a good portion of this winter on a mountain. I like hinted it so many times to my boyfriend. And because he's always like, let's go to Caribbean in December. And I'm like, I don't want to go to Caribbean. I want to go to like a snowy mountain. And I've said it so many times. And then I was like, oh, maybe you can't ski. And he said, I used to be a ski instructor when I was younger. So I don't know. I'm hoping that we're actually gonna go to the mountains, because I really miss skiing. Last time I went was in January 2020, and I would love to wear these. Like, for example, I would love to wear these in like Courchevel or Cortina or Saint Moritz. Like, all of these are kind of options because they're not that far. Maybe Saint Moritz is even the closest option. Any recommendations, drop them in the description box, and don't be too harsh to these. I actually discussed these with my friend Sandra when we spoke about getting them, because they also come in white and black version, which you could have seen, and I really even thought I prefer the white and black version. But the problem was, guys, that version could get very dirty. Like the white shearling, even like in wet snow, you don't even want to think about it. It's just not like, I don't think it's gonna be a cute look at all. And I think that it's just, you know, black was the best option. I also saw the ones, and I tried on the black version of the kind of nylon booty. It wasn't my type. I know they're all over Instagram, they're such a trend, they're such a hype, but I've never really been the girl that goes for the crazy hype. I just love what I love, and sometimes that's crazy stuff, you know? So to finish off with Chanel before we dive into Bottega, because Bottegas are completely different, I again have to mention Sandra. So my friend Sandra, I mention her in a lot of videos, but she's literally like one of my best friends for many years now. I will touch base on that probably in one of the next videos, because we would love to do a video together where we show how differently we wear same items that we have in our wardrobes. And we have so many same items because we're always like, buy this, I just bought this, it's amazing, you should also buy it. We're like literally enabling each other non-stop what to buy. Last night she sent me a link to COS website, and she's like, you have to buy these trousers, thank me later. So yeah, it's it's a fun friendship. And when she went to Chanel, she tried on this bag and she asked me, what do you think, should I get it? And I was like, it's on my wish list, you need to get it. And honestly, I did say that, and I was like, get it, but I thought I would never get it because I was not planning on going to Chanel, like one of my Chanels, in any future time soon. And I also, they didn't have it in London. I saw the cupboard and I was like, you know, goodbye. Then on the way out of England, I stopped by the airport, which, by the way, there's no more tax-free at the airports. I'm sure you know that, in London or anywhere else. And I saw her, and then I tried 3 different bags. I tried this one, I tried the mini flap in like sort of like ombre effect, which is like goes from light blue to purple, and I tried a classic flap. Then I texted my friend and I was like, I think I'm getting one of these 3 bags, and she's like, get this one, get this one, get this one. So it was done. Let's do it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I think I'm ready. This is always the best moment, and I honestly cannot wait to wear this bag. 1, 2, 3. I was gonna say I didn't get a Chanel bag in a while, but it's been like only 2 or 3 months. Okay, you can have a peek already. Welcome to the family. I wanna like rip it like a savage. There's no other way. Welcome. My mini flap with top handle. This is actually my first mini flap with top handle that I have, and I love this bag so much. This purple color is like insane. I'm just like putting it away from the camera so the light doesn't like completely wash it out, so you can see it's like a really warm, beautiful, light purple color, something I don't have in my wardrobe, with silver hardware. And I love a mini flap. A good mini flap is everything. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And actually when we went for drinks, Annabelle, Sandra wore it even before I got it, and I was like, what a beautiful bag, I'm so happy you got it. And then the universe just sent it my way the next day when I was at the airport and was like, get it. To be honest, I really thought this price of this bag was amazing comparing to the classic flap, and it's still like a classic bag. So when the lady was selling me this bag, I was thinking like, oh my god, so if I get this bag, can I not get another classic flap? Because I already have another one on pre-order for in like coming in a month, but I don't think that's gonna be like the case, in all honesty. This is what we got here. I really love how structured this is. It kind of reminds me basically of a cocoa handle bag, which also came in this color, by the way, but I didn't want to get a cocoa handle. I really wanted to get this one, and I love it. I think it's so beautiful, so beautiful. I think like my collection of mini flaps is kind of gonna probably grow even more than my collection of classic flaps, but then don't you know, hold your breath. Maybe that's gonna change very fast. That's it from Chanel. Now let's move on to the green wonders of Bottega. Bottega is, by the way, soon having their fashion show in Detroit, and I cannot wait to see what they got in the bag for us, because I've got in the bag some exciting things, and I have not seen these shoes anywhere else online, so I cannot wait to show them to you. I haven't seen anybody wear them, buy them, haven't seen them even selling in many places, only one place so far. Basically, I could not wait to show it to you, because yeah. And I also want to share with you my Bottega Veneta wishlist, which does not compose of any more boots, believe it or not, at the moment. Oh, maybe one, no, I don't know. Anyway, let's go and talk about these shoes. So you've seen me get like these furry boots, which are like super winter, mountain, whatever. And then you'll be surprised when you see this, because it's not weather appropriate at all. But keep in mind, with these things, you know, you usually get them in winter, otherwise you never get them. Plus, I am going to Qatar. When am I going to Qatar? In less than a month? Yeah, I'm going to Qatar in less than a month. So I need it, you know? I needed it. Or I needed them. And they are new Bottega sandals. Why does Bottega always pack this stuff in their shoes? If anybody from Bottega is watching, please like, don't do this. It's not cute. It like litters everywhere, and it's really annoying, to be honest. I'd rather just have this paper and more paper inside, but there's no need for this, especially not when this is the shoe and the paper gets tangled everywhere. Anyway, so these are the shoes. They're square toe sandals, very like Bottega style bottom, but then you have this vintage foam cord going around your ankle in color green. Now let me say a few things about this. Thing number one is I love the design. I think the design is insane, it's incredible. I love the color. I actually don't have the classic green Bottega shoes in any of the styles, and these come also in like a teal blue and in this green, and I love them. I love them. I actually think this is such a brilliant design. In autumn, you can also style them if you live in a place where it's kind of dry, like, I don't know, LA. Over the jeans, you know, this can look really cute over the trousers. Keep in mind that I also have my yellow python sandal from Bottega, which I'll insert the picture somewhere wherever I have space to show them to you, and they're my most worn shoes when it comes to spring summer season. I literally wear them non-stop. They're my go-to shoe because also like they're kind of close to my skin color, so it works with everything, and I think this part is so chic. Now, when I tried them in the shop, I did think that this on foot was a little bit uncomfortable, because I mean, look at this. How can this be comfortable? Even though it's kind of soft silicone rubber, I'm curious how this is gonna go. And when I was paying for them, I was thinking, is this gonna be a fashion faff? Because I don't know if you've noticed, but lately I'm kind of buying more, well, maybe not in this haul, but buying more like a black things, white, beige, like more neutrals. Even though I'm not just into neutrals, I love a good color block. But I think that I'm getting more into like classic pieces and less like, you know, like going away from those hit of the season things. Not in this haul. You know, don't like go saying in the comments like, oh, but you just bought the craziest boots. I know. Girls, you know, I like to be sometimes just spontaneous, whatever. Anyway, I love these. Between the blue and the green, this was my favorite color, but I think the blue is also stunning. And I said in a previous video, I'm so sad that I don't have my green Jodie anymore, and I could have repurchased it, but I just don't want to buy the same thing that I already bought before. So maybe if my boyfriend's watching, maybe he can. No, just kidding. No, but I don't want to repurchase same things that I was purchasing before, because it just does not make sense at all. And yeah, this is it. I really love these. Love these, and I cannot wait to wear them. I'll for sure bring them to Qatar, because I think these are such a hit. Even though in Qatar, I don't even know where I'm gonna wear, because there are like a few different events with a few different brands, so I don't know if I'll have a chance to wear that. But I have one more thing from Bottega in here, and this is not a final thing. I was not gonna get this. I saw this color way before and I wasn't gonna get it, but then I got it because I was like, it's so beautiful. Plus I'll also wear it in Qatar. It's another Jodie bag, and this is now the second Jodie bag that I got this month, and honestly I would get more, and I'll tell you about it in a second. This one is in the new kind of light green color, so just to show you, it's completely different to this. This is like more of a pastel greeny crickety color, and I really, no, maybe not crickety, maybe like bluey green, I would describe it. And I really love this. I think this will be, of course, a hit in the summer, but why not wear it in winter with like a gray coat? Why not, you know? I think this could be such a nice pop of color. It's really beautiful. And talking about Jodie bags, I really love them. I think that they are always amazing. My ideal situation was also maybe I can wear it with my new tire boots, the one with the light green sole, but that light green is more like yellowy green and this one is more like a bluey green, so they're again completely different. This is a new color for Bottega. I really like it. I think it's stunning, and I still have a few more Jodie bags on my wish list. Like I said, the original green, because I think it's so stunning, but also there's a new version of Jodie bag which looks like it's with a lot of cables. I'll insert the picture here. That the Jodie bag I think will be a big hit. I think it's stunning. I really love it, but the colors that it came out in initially are not my I need this color colors. I don't know what color I would want it in though. Either maybe that like cherry color is not so bad actually. I don't know, but what I know for sure is that I do not like the Jodie in the fluffy teddy bear material. I don't even know, I haven't even seen it in real life, or I have. I don't know, but it's just not appealing to me at all. I'll insert the picture here of the fluffy one. I think it's so whatever. It looks like a toy. It looks like something that is hanging on, like in a large version of something that's hanging off the window in a car, in a taxi. I'm sorry, Bottega, but it's true. That design is just not very brilliant at all. However, the cable one, obsessed. If I can find it live somewhere selling by the time this video goes up, I will link it below. All the links will be in the description box below for everything that I can find. So hopefully you will see that there as well. But I think that the cable Bottega Jodie bag is also on my wish list. I think this is incredible. Maybe the light is like making it a bit slow, which is not, but here you can see it a bit better. I think it's super stunning, and I'm very excited to wear it. Very excited also to go to Paris now. I actually have to leave now. I'm excited to go to Paris now because I'm bringing me a lot of new things that I want to shoot. So that is it for today's video. Again, make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It will mean a lot to me. And I will see you in my next one, which hopefully will be a little vlog from Paris. Bye guys!